Morning everyone. I hope this day finds you well. Today I will be presenting a session of the topic of passive voice. The first one, there is definition and general formula. Passive voice is a sentence in which the subject receives the action, not performs it. The focus is on the result or the object affected by the action. There is passive voice formula, that subject plus to be plus verb 3, or past participle plus by plus agent. There is example, active and passive. So active, she cleans the room. Passive, the room is cleaned by her. So next function of passive voice. Passive voice is used when 1. The door is unknown or unimportant. 2. The focus is on the result of the action. 3. Used in formal language or reports, news, scientific writing. So there is function example. 1. The windows was broken last night. That the door is unknown. So 2. A new road is being built. That focus on the result, not the door. So next, passive voice in tense. 1. There is simple present tense. So simple present tense that used for daily habits or general facts. There is formula am or is or are plus verb 3. Example, there is active and passive. So active, she cleans the room. Passive, the room is cleaned by her. So next, 2. There is present continuous tense, used for action that are happening right now. There is formula am or is or are plus being plus verb 3. Example, active and passive. Active, she is cleaning the room. Passive, the room is being cleaned by her. So number 3, there is simple past tense, used for action that happened in the past. There is formula was or were plus verb 3. Example, active, she cleaned the room. Passive, the room was cleaned by her. Number 4, past continuous tense, used for action that were in progress in the past. There is formula was or were plus being plus verb 3. Example, active and passive. Active, she was cleaning the room. Passive, the room was being cleaned by her. So number 5, there is present perfect tense, used for action that have been completed and the result is still relevant. There is formula that has or have plus been plus verb 3. Example, active, she has cleaned the room. Passive, the room has been cleaned by her. So number 6, past perfect tense, used for action that happened earlier than another past action. There is formula had plus been plus verb 3. Example, active and passive. Active, she had cleaned the room. Passive, the room had been cleaned by her. Next, number 7, there is simple future tense, used for action that will happen in the future. There is formula will plus be plus verb 3. Example, active and passive. Active, She will clean the room. Passive, the room will be cleaned by her. So, next, the last, number 8. That future perfect tense, used for action that will have been completed in the future. There is formula will have plus been plus verb 3. There is example active. She will have cleaned the room. Passive, the room will have been cleaned by her. So next, how to change active to passive? That there is steps. Step 1. Move the object to the subject position. 2. Use to be according to the tense. 3. Change the verb into verb 3. The last, add by plus agent in exercise. So there is example active and passive. Example active, the chef cooks the meal. Example passive, the meal is cooked by the chef. So last, there is conclusion. Passive voice focus on the action and receiver. Main pattern, to be plus verb 3. Used when to do is unknown or unimportant and commonly used in formal writing. Thank you. Thank you for attention. Mungkin ini saja yang saya dapat sampaikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.